Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Robinhood. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Robinhood is a FINRA-registered and FCA-regulated fintech company that was founded in 2013 and is based in California. This company prioritizes commission-free trading on a variety of stocks, ETFs and options, and they are most popular for being one of the best companies to trade cryptocurrencies with. Robinhood offers competitive trading conditions with VIP benefits and a beginner-friendly mobile trading application that comes with plenty of built-in tools that you can use to personalize and optimize your trading experience. Robinhood offers a vibrant, user-friendly website, and you can easily find more information about the instruments they offer, the resources provided, and the Robinhood Cash Card by choosing an option from the menu bar. You will find direct links on the homepage that you can use to learn more about investing and crypto trading, and you will also find articles about company news further down the page. The homepage also highlights some of the key benefits of trading with them, and if you scroll all the way down, you will find listed menus that you can use to jump to different sections of the website. To learn more about the instruments you can trade with Robinhood, simply click on the Invest tab if you are interested in trading stocks, options and ETFs, or click on Crypto if you are interested in cryptocurrencies. Robinhood is one of our top-rated brokers for trading cryptocurrencies because most other brokers and exchanges charge up to 4% commission on crypto trading, but you can trade cryptocurrencies entirely commission-free with Robinhood. They offer more than 65 popular cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Compound, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Solana, and more. With Robinhood, you can also buy and sell a variety of options without paying any commission fees or any other monthly fees, and you can easily trade options using an instant account. So there is no need to upgrade to a gold account or a cash account. If you are trading stocks but you are not sure which companies to invest in, you can invest in a group of companies with Robinhood's stock bundles, and you can invest in thousands of stocks with as little as $1 when you open an account with Robinhood. The Robinhood customer support team can be contacted 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, through the mobile application. We recommend visiting the support section of the website to view their FAQs and to see if any questions you might have already been answered. Robinhood offers a unique loyalty program through their Cash Card debit cards, which give you everyday savings on purchases, and you can invest your weekly roundups into your choice of stocks and cryptocurrencies. The Robinhood Cash Card can be used at more than 90,000 ATMs, and there are no hidden fees or activation fees on this card. They also offer a referral program that rewards you and your friend each with a stock of your choice instead of money, which in the long term can be far more rewarding than earning a couple of extra dollars once off. Robinhood offers a proprietary mobile trading platform that is used by more than 22 million stock traders and investors worldwide. This application offers an intuitive design with a user-friendly dashboard, and you can use it to trade thousands of stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies directly from your mobile phone. You can also use the Robinhood application to manage your accounts and set up recurring investments, and it can also be used to contact the customer support team 24/7. The Robinhood application offers different chart types with multiple timeframes and a variety of trading tools. This application has a wide range of built-in educational resources that you can use to learn about trading and investing, and you can link your cash card to the application to keep track of your rewards. Robinhood offers 3 types of trading accounts, with the instant account being an introducer account for new clients and beginners. All new clients start with a Robinhood instant account by default, and this account gives you access to instant deposits of up to $1,000 and extended trading hours. This is a no deposit margin account that can be upgraded to a gold account or a cash account once you are ready to take your trading career to the next level. We recommend the instant account if you are a first-time client, and when you create your account for the first time, you will be asked to choose your level of experience. Your account will be personalized based on whether you have no experience, some experience, or expert knowledge of trading. The major benefit of trading with an instant account is that you will have immediate access to profits from stock sales, and you will be able to reinvest those funds without having to wait for settlements. With Robinhood Instant and Robinhood Gold accounts, you can perform only 3-day trades per week, but this is a way of helping clients manage their risks because day trading can be very unpredictable at times. However, if you are a day trader, then we recommend opening either one of these accounts. Before you can upgrade to a gold account, you will need to deposit at least $2,000, and if you would like to use the cash account, a $5 monthly subscription fee will need to be payable, which will give you access to exclusive tools and resources. If you are looking for an account with higher leverage and more buying power, then we recommend opening a cash account instead. The main advantage of using this account is that there are no limitations on day trading. This account is designed for more experienced traders, and it offers live NASDAQ Level 2 market data, Morningstar news updates, and more advanced trading tools. Creating an account with Robinhood may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward. Firstly, launch the Robinhood homepage and then click on the Sign Up button. Complete the online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address. Once your account has been verified, you can log into the client portal. And once your account is set up and ready, you can fund your account and simply start trading. If you are trading for the first time and you've never invested before, we would recommend visiting Robinhood's educational section. You can read their detailed guides about the basics of investing and stock trading, and there are also plenty of helpful articles with tips and advice from experts that will teach you about investment portfolios and all the essentials of stock trading and managing your investments. If you have never traded options or ETFs before, Robinhood is a great place to start because they also provide guides on trading options and ETFs and give tips for managing your risks. We would also recommend subscribing to the Robinhood newsletter for daily financial news updates. And if you have any questions about creating and managing your account using the platforms or anything else, you can head over to the support section to see if your questions have already been answered. You can also tune into Robinhood's featured podcasts, which delve into a variety of different trading topics, for you to listen to at any time. Or you can check out their blog, which provides a variety of articles for you to read through whenever you like. Overall, Robinhood is one of our top-rated brokers for trading cryptocurrencies and stocks, because no commission fees are charged, and they offer thousands of stocks and a wide range of popular cryptocurrencies. What we also like about Robinhood is the Cash Card, which offers a sustainable way to spend and invest your money, and their referral program is unique because you can own stocks in companies without paying anything, as long as you invite friends to Robinhood and they sign up. If you are interested, be sure to open your Robinhood account today and bring a friend along with you to own your first stock in one of America's leading companies. And that is our overview of Robinhood. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.